Welcome to our video on the 6 incredible benefits of vitamin B12 and how to get enough of it. Have you been feeling unusually tired, struggling to focus, or just not feeling your best? It might be connected to a surprising yet essential nutrient, vitamin B12. In this video, we'll uncover the 6 incredible ways B12 can transform your health and why so many people are unknowingly missing out on its benefits. Curious about what makes this vitamin so essential and how to ensure you're getting enough of it? Stick around to find out. You won't want to miss this. Starting our countdown at number 6, we have B12, supports healthy hair, skin, and nails. Who needs expensive creams and serums when you've got vitamin B12? This nutrient isn't just working hard on the inside, it's also giving you that outer glow that'll have everyone asking for your beauty secrets. A study published in the International Journal of Trichology found that vitamin B12 deficiency can lead to hair loss and skin hyperpigmentation. Addressing B12 deficiency could help improve these conditions, giving you healthier hair and more radiant skin. But it gets even better. Further research also showed that topical vitamin B12 could help reduce inflammation in skin conditions like psoriasis and eczema. The study found that B12 cream was effective in improving symptoms and reducing the need for steroid treatments. So, how can you harness the beauty-boosting power of B12? Start by ensuring you're getting enough in your diet. Foods like salmon, tuna, and yogurt are great sources. And don't forget about eggs. They're packed with B12 and are a good source of protein too. For an extra boost, consider talking to your dermatologist about B12-infused skincare products. Now that we've got you glowing from head to toe, let's turn our attention to what's happening inside that beautiful brain of yours. Our next B12 benefit is sure to get your neurons firing. Next at number 5, it enhances cognitive function. Think vitamin B12 is just for your body? Think again. This brainy nutrient is essential for keeping your mind sharp and your memory on point. It's like a personal trainer for your neurons. A groundbreaking study published in the journal Neurology found that older adults with higher vitamin B12 levels had a lower risk of brain shrinkage, a common sign of cognitive decline. The researchers suggested that maintaining adequate B12 levels could help slow the rate of brain atrophy associated with aging. To keep your brain firing on all cylinders, make sure you're getting enough B12. In addition to the food sources we've already listed, you can also get vitamin B12 from lean meats and dairy products. If you're over 50, you might want to consider a B12 supplement, as our ability to absorb this nutrient from food decreases with age. Now that we've boosted your brain power, let's move on to matters of the heart. Our next benefit is sure to get your pulse racing, in a good way. Number 4, it supports heart health. Vitamin B12 plays a crucial role in cardiovascular health by helping to regulate homocysteine levels in the blood. A study published in the New England Journal of Medicine in 2006 titled Homocysteine Lowering with Folic Acid and B Vitamins in Vascular Disease found that folic acid in vitamins B6 and B12 lower homocysteine levels, and lower homocysteine levels are associated with lower rates of coronary heart disease and stroke in observational studies. To support your heart health, focus on B12-rich foods. We've already discussed that you can get this vitamin from food sources like fish, lean meats, eggs, and dairy. But you can also get it from fortified foods like cereals, plant-based milk, fortified tofu, and fortified juices. With your heart pumping strong, let's move on to how B12 can help keep your energy levels up throughout the day. Number 3, it boosts energy and reduces fatigue. Feeling sluggish lately? Vitamin B12 might be the energy boost you've been looking for. This nutrient plays a vital role in energy production at the cellular level. A 2017 review in the journal Cochrane Database of Systematic Reviews found that vitamin B12 supplementation improved fatigue levels in individuals with a B12 deficiency. To harness B12's energy-boosting power, ensure you're getting enough through your diet or supplements. Additional sources include clams, beef liver, and fortified nutritional yeast. It is important to note, though, that if you're experiencing persistent fatigue, consult your healthcare provider to check your B12 levels. Now that we've energized your body, let's focus on how vitamin B12 can uplift your spirits. Number 2, it supports mood and mental health. This essential nutrient plays a crucial role in maintaining mental health and emotional well-being. A 2013 randomized controlled trial published in PubMed titled Vitamin B12 Supplementation in Treating Major Depressive Disorder found that Vitamin B12 supplementation alongside antidepressant treatment significantly improved depressive symptoms in patients with low to normal B12 levels. The study compared SSRI monotherapy with B12 augmentation in depressed patients with low or normal B12 levels who responded inadequately to the first trial with SSRIs. At 3 months follow-up, 100% of the treatment group, those given antidepressants plus injectable vitamin B12, showed at least a 20% reduction in their depressive levels, while only 69% in the control arm, those given antidepressants only, showed improvement. This study provides evidence that vitamin B12 supplementation can support mood by enhancing the effectiveness of antidepressant treatment in patients with lower than normal B12 levels. Furthermore, a study in the Journal of Clinical Psychiatry revealed that individuals with higher vitamin B12 levels were more likely to recover from depression. It therefore suggests that maintaining adequate B12 levels could be an important factor in managing mood disorders. To support your mental health, incorporate B12-rich foods into your diet. If you're concerned about your B12 levels or experiencing symptoms of depression, consult with your healthcare provider. They may recommend blood tests or suggest B12 supplements if necessary. With your mood lifted, let's move on to our final and perhaps most crucial benefit of vitamin B12. Number 1. It is essential for red blood cell formation and anemia prevention. We've saved the best for last. Vitamin B12's most vital role in your body is its involvement in red blood cell formation and the prevention of anemia. A 2020 study published in the journal Nutrients on Vitamin B12, Status and Optimal Range for Hemoglobin Formation in Elite Athletes looked at 243 track and field athletes, 189 strength athletes, and 54 endurance athletes, with a total of 1131 blood samples collected over 6 years. The blood samples were analyzed for vitamin B12 concentration and red blood cell parameters. The study suggests that B12 supplementation can be beneficial for some athletes, and that athletes should maintain B12 levels between 400 to 700 picogram per milliliter for optimal hemoglobin synthesis. So far, we've listed some of the most common sources of vitamin B12, but you can also get this crucial nutrient from some less common food sources, including nori seaweed. While not as reliable as animal sources, some varieties of nori can contain significant amounts of B12. Tempeh. This fermented soybean product can contain small amounts of B12 due to bacterial action during fermentation. Fortified plant-based milk alternatives. Many soy, almond, and oat milks are fortified with B12. Shiitake mushrooms. These contain small amounts of B12, though not enough to be a primary source. Chlorella. This type of algae can be a source of B12 for vegans, though absorption rates may vary. Marmite or Vegemite. These yeast extracts are sometimes fortified with B12. Duck eggs. While chicken eggs are more common, duck eggs typically contain more B12. Octopus. This seafood is less commonly consumed in some cultures, but is a good source of B12. Vitamin B12 supplementation is an important consideration for many individuals, particularly those at risk of deficiency. The recommended daily intake for adults over 14 is 2.4 micrograms, with slightly higher amounts recommended for pregnant and breastfeeding women, 2.6 and 2.8 micrograms respectively. Supplements come in various forms, including oral tablets or capsules, sublingual supplements that dissolve under the tongue, injections for severe deficiency. This requires a prescription from a doctor, and nasal gel, also available by prescription only. The most common type of B12 in supplements is cyanocobalamin, which needs to be converted by the body. Other forms include methylcobalamin, adenosylcobalamin, and hydroxycobalamin. While the recommended daily allowance is relatively low, many supplements contain much higher doses, often ranging from 500 to 1,000 micrograms. This is because the body absorbs only a small percentage of high doses. For older adults, doses of 25 to 100 micrograms daily have been used to maintain B12 levels. Certain groups of people are more likely to benefit from B12 supplementation. These include adults over 50 due to decreased absorption, vegetarians and vegans, people with gastrointestinal disorders or who've had certain surgeries, and those taking medications that can interfere with B12 absorption, such as metformin or proton pump inhibitors. In terms of safety, no upper limit has been established for B12 due to its low toxicity. High doses are generally considered safe, although unnecessary for most people. B12 supplements are crucial for treating deficiency and conditions like pernicious anemia. It's important to note that most people get enough B12 from their diet alone. However, for those considering supplementation, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare provider first. Regular monitoring may be necessary for individuals at risk of deficiency. While vitamin B12 is essential for health, supplementation should be based on individual needs and medical advice. By ensuring you're getting enough B12, you're supporting your body in numerous ways, from boosting your energy to protecting your heart and brain health. So, why not start paying more attention to your B12 intake today? Do you already include B12-rich foods in your diet? Or are there any new sources you're excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more nutrition tips and healthy living advice. And if you'd like to support our work, consider sending us a super thanks. Don't forget to check out our video on 5 best vitamin B12-rich foods to stop brain fog linked on your screens now. Remember, small changes in your diet can lead to big improvements in your health. Here's to your wellness journey.